Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator for Bybit to enable two-factor authentication or 2FA and secure your account. Start by logging into your Bybit account and going to your account's security settings. Click on the Settings button to access the 2FA setup. You'll need to verify your identity first, so click on Send Verification Code. A code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. Enter the code in the boxes provided and click Confirm. Once verified, a pop-up window will display a QR code. Leave this window open and download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone or tablet from either the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app, tap the plus icon, and select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on Bybit. The app will then generate a random 6-digit code for your account. Next, make sure to write down the recovery key phrase, RKP, shown by Bybit. Store this securely on an encrypted cloud server or a secured device. This key will help you recover access to your account if you ever lose your device. Finally, enter the 6-digit code generated in Google Authenticator into Bybit and click Confirm. If you receive an invalid code error, double-check your device's time settings and ensure the Google Authenticator app is synchronized correctly. And that's it! Your Bybit account is now protected with Google Authenticator 2FA. Make sure to keep your recovery key safe and enjoy enhanced security. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto security tips and guides.